Now this is just going to be a quick overview on the, if this will focus, the Hurricane Haze 2D by Chauvet DJ. It has a little knob on the side here where we can change the height from there all the way down to directly straight 90 degrees. Then we have this little bit here which is like a handle. I think that's what it's for. It's a handle, safety hook, obviously for like when you're hanging up here, safety bracket also for hanging up, adjustable height so you can adjust the heights of it, blowers here. So pretty much basic way of saying how it works. The fog machine, the fog comes out this little nozzle here, a little nozzle there. You see? If this thing will focus, there we go. That little nozzle that comes out there. Then the fan propels air past it, and then that air forces all the fog outwards, depending on whatever angle this is facing out. And it works with this, even with this front bit here, because the nozzle is facing upwards. It's facing upwards a bit, which means it goes up, it goes up, goes straight, goes straight. Yep. Well, that's that side. The other side, a little area here where it says maximum and minimum, obviously to check how much oil is going through. And then on the back we have another brand tag, and we have a remote plug. Obviously that is to work our controller or timer, so you can set a timer so you can go for about whatever seconds, and the duration and all the output and that. There's that. You can write by DMX off the display. Just have the IC plug and the switch that turns it on and off. So that's pretty much a basic overview. Well, if it'll focus. Basic overview of this product. So I guess I'll just turn it on now and show you what it can do. Right, it's turned on. The first thing it goes to is our DMX address. There's only 3 things in the display. There's pretty much just DMX, F, which is the fan on that side. So you can set it from 1 all the way up to 5, and 5 is the fastest it can go, as you can hear. Then H is how much fog output. That can also go to 5, but I recommend just sticking at 1 and then sticking the fan at 5. It'll give you good mist in like a couple seconds. I'm just going to leave it for DMX. That's got nothing to do with the remote. When this thing turns blue, we are ready to go. Which is about 3 minutes, so yeah, as you can see, it illuminates. There's a little compartment down here where you can store the controller and the cable under here. And this thing simply locks that little magnet down there. Sorry if this camera doesn't focus properly. So I might just come back to you when it's all ready. As you can see, the blue light has turned on, so that means we can start. There we go. And this is just it facing upwards. You can see it's filling up it already. I can set it on continuous. Might set it on continuous. But it's not. Oh, the timer's on. I need to turn that off. Okay, there we go. And here it is with all its glory. It's like it's completely already filled up with haze, and the door's open. You can easily get some beams. Even with this, you can see it's shining through here a bit. Yeah, shining through here already. So I might just close this, and then I'm ready to go. I might just play with the onboard display for the moment. So let's set the fan to the highest. and then we're going to set to 1. So this is set to 1. As you can see, it's not that much. Let's set it to 2, and now we're going to go to 3, 4. So we're going to set it to 4. As you can see, it's pumping a bit more now. You can see roughly the beam. Roughly see the beam coming through here. But yeah, it's pretty strong. I'd say this is probably not the best for a DJ, more for productions and that, or larger venues. Not really for rave parties and that, because it's a bit too subtle for that. But yeah, I might just turn the fan off. You can just have it purely on the fog. No, it's like a fog machine. Yeah, that's pretty much that. I left it too much on the fog mode on it. But as you can see, look at that. That's what fog would look like. Well, this is what haze looks like. Obviously, it would be a lot more crisper and clearer beams. But look at that. It's cool. Just shining through the window. And this is in daylight, and you can see the beams perfectly, as if it's a laser. Full setting. It's not as loud as I think it would come up as on camera. I'm not sure. So much haze. It's coming out already. You can see it a bit coming out here. It's pretty powerful. But yeah, that's pretty much a quick little overview of this. Sadly, I did not bring my my other laser beam in that. So, because I actually did not know I'd be bringing this thing into this garage. But yeah, I guess I guess you have to wait until the review comes out, or when on my video on because the last video was a review on a light, and I was saying that I would post a video soon of a show of that with fog, because recently my fog machine blew up. So I just decided, hoping for Christmas that I would be getting a fog machine or a new one. And what do you know, instead of a fog machine I get a hazer, which is even better. Wouldn't expect one that would cost $300, but it's pretty good. Anyway, that was just a quick little overview of it. There will be a review coming out soon, maybe, of it. But other than that, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Practice and enjoy.